Ever wonder how a small creature like a leech could address common health issues such as varicose veins, arthritis, and even skin disorders? Welcome to the fascinating world of leech therapy, a practice that has been around for centuries and continues to baffle and intrigue. Originating from ancient India and Greece, leech therapy or hirudotherapy has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine. These tiny creatures, equipped with a unique blend of anticoagulants and vasodilators in their saliva, have been used to treat a wide array of ailments. From reducing inflammation and promoting circulation in those suffering from varicose veins and arthritis, to aiding in the healing of skin disorders, these little medical marvels have made a significant impact. And it doesn't stop there. The power of leech therapy extends to other areas of health, creating a holistic approach to well-being that is as intriguing as it is effective. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive into the world of leech therapy. You might be wondering, how does leech therapy work exactly? Well, let's simplify it. The process begins with the careful selection of leeches. Yes, not all leeches are created equal, and only medicinal leeches, hailing from the Hirudo genus, are used for therapy. These little creatures are known for their unique saliva, which contains precious substances that can benefit our health. Once the leeches are ready, they are gently applied to your skin. The location of application varies depending on the condition being treated. It could be near a problematic vein for circulatory issues, or on a certain acupuncture point for pain relief. The leeches latch on and start their work, a process that usually takes anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour. This is where the magic happens. As the leeches feed, they release their saliva into the body. The saliva is a cocktail of about 100 different bioactive substances. Some of these substances act as anticoagulants, preventing blood clots. Others have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing swelling and pain. There are even substances that improve circulation and promote healing, making leech therapy a versatile treatment for numerous ailments. Now you might be thinking, doesn't it hurt? The answer is no, not usually. Leeches have tiny jaws, and their bite is often described as a minor pinch or tickle. Plus, their saliva contains anesthetic compounds, which help to numb the area. So, while the thought of leeches may make you squirm, the actual process is generally painless. When the leeches have finished their meal, they naturally detach from the skin. The area is then cleaned and bandaged, and that's it. The therapy session is complete. It's important to note that leeches used in therapy are never reused, ensuring the procedure remains safe and hygienic. Throughout history, leech therapy has been used to treat a variety of conditions, from headaches to heart disease. In recent years, it has seen a resurgence in the world of modern medicine, recognized for its natural, non-invasive approach to healing. And there you have it, the leech therapy process demystified. So, what have we learned about leech therapy today? To start, we've discovered that this unique form of treatment can address a wide range of health issues. From improving blood circulation and relieving pain to reducing inflammation and even helping with certain heart conditions, leech therapy is a versatile tool in the health and wellness space. We've broken down the therapy process, making it clear that, while it may seem a bit daunting, it's actually quite straightforward. A trained practitioner carefully places the leeches on your body, usually in areas with poor circulation or pain. The leeches then do their work, all while you relax and let nature take its course. And of course, we can't talk about leech therapy without mentioning the star of the show, the leech saliva. This is where the magic happens. The saliva contains a cocktail of beneficial compounds, including anticoagulants to prevent blood clotting, vasodilators to widen blood vessels, and anti-inflammatory substances to reduce swelling and pain. But the benefits don't stop at physical health. Many people report feeling a sense of calm and relaxation during and after treatment, suggesting that leech therapy could also have mental health benefits. So, whether you're dealing with a specific health issue or just looking for a new way to relax and rejuvenate, leech therapy could be the answer. Leech therapy might sound unusual, but its potential benefits for various health issues are undeniable. So, would you consider leech therapy? As we draw this exploration to a close, it's important to remember that health isn't one size fits all. Leech therapy, while unconventional, offers a unique approach to tackling various health issues. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's undeniably a fascinating tool in our ever-evolving healthcare toolbox. It's all about keeping an open mind and exploring what works best for your unique needs. Remember, health is wealth, and sometimes it pays to think outside the box.
हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू हेल्थिस्तान यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करें।